If you're still sitting in Meta Ads Manager, manually duplicating campaigns, tweaking copy one ad at a time, and downloading sales views to figure out what's working, I need you to pay attention for the next 10 minutes. Because there's no way to generate hundreds of ad variation, deploy them directly to Meta, and get real-time performance analysis, all from a single tool. No agency, no media buying team, just you and Claude Code. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to use Claude Code to automate your Meta ads, the actual workflows, the actual setup. And by the end, you'll have a system that lets you test more creative, kill underperformance faster, and scale what's working without living inside Ads Manager. Alright, so let me set the context first. The biggest problem with Meta ads in 2026 is not targeting. It's not budget, it's creative volume. Meta's algorithm has gotten insanely good at finding the right audience, advantage plus, broad targeting. The machine does that part well. Where most people lose, it's they're feeding the algorithm 3 to 4 creatives and wondering why their cost per acquisition is high. The algorithm needs option. It needs 50, 100, 200 variation to test against each other so it can find the winners. The problem is that producing that volume manually is brutal. You need copy, you need images, you need hooks, you need variation across audiences. It takes a full creative team, or it takes you an entire week to generate that. Claude Code just changed that equation completely because it's not a chatbot, it's an agent. It just doesn't suggest add copy. It's build the creative, generate the variation, and can deploy them directly to your ad account through Meta APIs. That's the shift. You go from manual managing ads to building an automated ad machine. These are 4 specific workflows I use with Claude Code for Meta ads. I'm going to walk you through each one. None of this requires you to be a developer. Workflow number 1 is AI-powered audience research. Before you write a single line of ad copy, you need to understand exactly how your audience talks about their problems. Most people skip this. They write copy based on what they think sounds good. That's why their ads underperform. What I do is point Claude Code at Reddit threads, YouTube comments, competitor reviews, anywhere my target audience is complaining or asking questions. Claude reads all of it and pulls out the context language they use, the pain points, the objections, the phrases that keep coming up. That gives me a research document that's worth more than any creative brief I've ever received from any agency, because it's not what I think the audience cares about, it's what they actually said in their own word. And when you use that language in your ads, the click-through goes through the roof because people feel like you're reading their mind. Workflow number 2 is generating hundreds of ad variations. This is the one that blew my mind when I first set it up. You take that audience, research and feed it into what I call a creative matrix. You define your customer persona, maybe 5 or 6 of them. You define your emotional angles, fear of missing out, desire for ease, status, whatever applies to your product. And then you define your hooks and your framework. PAS, ADA, before, after, whatever you like to run. Claude Code takes that matrix and generates every combination, 5 personas, 5 emotional angles, 4 framework, that's 100 unique ad variation, all in the same session, all written in the voice of your actual audience because of the research from step 1. Now, here's the part that separates this from just using ChatGPT to write ad copy. Claude Code can also generate the visuals. It builds React-based ad templates. These are basically images templates that it can fill with different headlines, call to action, and texture. Then it renders them as PNGs ready for upload, so you're not getting copy, you're getting the full creative. One foreigner I came across recently used this exact workflow and launched 250 ad variation for a single campaign. Some of the best performing ones were angles he never would have thought of himself. Workflow number 3, deploying ads directly to Meta. Now, this is where it gets really powerful. Most people generate the creatives and then manually upload them one by one into the ads manager. That alone can take hours. Claude Code connects directly to the Meta Marketing API. You set it up once, it takes about 30 minutes, and after that you can deploy all the 100 to 200 ads with a single command. Claude creates the ad draft attached to creative, sets the tracking parameter, and pushes everything to your account. You review it, approve it, and you're live. There's also something called MCP, Model Contacts Protocol. Think of it as the bridge that let Claude talk directly to your Meta account. Once that's connected, Claude doesn't just push the ad, it can pull live performance data back, which means the same tool that creates your ads can also tell you which one is working. Workflow number 4, real-time performance analysis and scale decisions. This is the workflow that saves you the most money. Once your ads are running, Claude Code can pull your campaign data into real time, I'm talking spend, ROAS, CPA, STR, frequency, everything. And instead of you saying, scrolling through the ads manager, trying to make sense of it, you just ask Claude in plain English. You can say something like, give me a performance summary of all the active campaign for the last 7 days. Flag anything with ROAS below 2 or frequency above 3.5. And Claude comes back with a clear breakdown. These campaigns are performing, scale them, don't kill them. These are fatigue, pause, or refresh creative. These have potential but need a budget adjustment. That analysis alone used to take media buyers 2 to 3 hours. Now it takes 90 seconds. And the quality is often better because Claude Code doesn't have recency bias. It doesn't have a favorite ad. Just look at the numbers. Let me be real with you for a second. I'm not anti-agency. I'm not anti-hiring a media buyer. But what I'm saying is that the old model where you pay someone thousands a month to sit in ads manager and manually tweak campaigns is increasingly hard to justify. Because the bottleneck was never strategy, it was execution speed. How fast can you generate creatives? How fast can you deploy them? How fast can you read the data and make a decision? Claude Code compresses all of that, the same work that used to take a team a full week now takes an afternoon. And the other thing is that even if you do have an agency or a media buyer, this makes them better because they can test 10 times more creatives in the same time frame. They can catch fatigue faster. They can spend their time on strategy instead of manual uploading. So whether you're running ads yourself or you have a team doing it, this workflow is a multiplier. If this is making you rethink how you run your meta ads, hit subscribe. I'm breaking down AI workflows for business owners every single week, not theory, actual system you can implement. Let me make this practical. Here's exactly how you get started even if you're not technical. Step number 1, sign up for Claude Pro Plan and Claude.ai. It's $20 a month that gives you access to Claude Code on the web and desktop app. No terminal required if you don't want to use it. Step number 2, set up your Meta developer account. Go to developer.com.facebook.com, create an app and add the marketing API. This is what lets Claude Code talk to your ad account. It sounds technical, but it's a one-time setup and takes about 30 minutes. And honestly, you can ask Claude Code to walk you through it step by step. Step 3, create your Claude.md file. This is basically a briefing document for Claude. You put it into your brand voice, your product, your positioning, your past winning hooks, your target persona. Think of it as an onboarding for the new team member. The better the brief, the better the output. Step number 4, start with audience research. Before you generate a single ad, point Claude at your niche and have it pull the language and the audience's uses. That research becomes the foundation of everything else. Step number 5, build your first creative matrix and generate 50 ad variation. Review them, refine the one you like, and deploy. That first batch will teach you more about what resonates with your audience than months of manual testing. Before you go and try this, let me flag the 3 mistakes I see people make. First, don't skip the audience research. If you just ask Claude Code to write meta ad copy without feeding it real audience data, you'll get generic output that sounds like every other AI generated ad. The research step is what makes the difference between copy that converts and copy that gets scrolled past. Second, don't set it and forget it. Claude Code is powerful. It's not a replacement for your judgment. You still need to review the creative before they go live. You still need to interpret the data with context that only you have about your business. Automation scales your advantages, but it also scales your mistake if you're not paying attention. Third, don't try to automate everything on day one. Start with one workflow, get comfortable, see the results, then expand. The people who try to build the entire system in 1 week burn out and quit. The people who start with one piece and build consistently are the ones running 200 ad variation a month 6 months from now. Look, meta ads are not getting easier. The cost per impression keeps going up. Creative effective keeps getting faster. The only way to win is to test more, move faster, and make better decisions with your data. Claude Code gives you a way to do all 3 without tripling your workload. It's the closest thing that I found to having a full creative team and a data analysis setting to you. If you found this useful, subscribe. I'm putting out a new video every single week on how to use AI to grow your business. Not the hype, the actual playbook. Hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.